Alright, guys and girls. Welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, guys, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2011 BMW 740 Li. And the customer's complaint is the brake light is on. They went, had the brakes done by a local repair shop. The brake light is on. We're going to find out what's going on. Coming up on Astro Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com.
Alright, so here's the deal. BMW has a brake wear sensor, one in the front, one in the back. So when your brake pads wear down, the sensor goes off and your message center on your dashboard will tell you you need brake pads. So once the brake pads are replaced and the sensors replaced, you're supposed to reset that light. Apparently some people don't know that because the customer kept taking it back and they kept telling, well, maybe you need this, maybe you need this. They did change the wear sensor, they said, but apparently they didn't know about resetting the light. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to reset that message coming up. Alright, so if you take a look at your dashboard, you'll see that the brake light is on. You'll also get a red little triangle over here to let you know something isn't right. Also, you'll also see the message on your center, message center, and it'll say, well, in this case it says brake system. Alright, so in order to do this, the car cannot be running. So let's go ahead and shut it off. Alright, so 2 times I think you have, yeah, okay. So now the car is off. So we need the lights on the dashboard to come on. So do not step on the brakes. Just hit the start stop button 1 time and all your lights come on. Alright, so in order to reset the maintenance, you're going to need just 1 button to do this, and you'll see a rectangular button on your bottom left hand corner of your instrument cluster. Everybody see that?
Yeah, I got
okay.
it. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, so now pay attention to the middle part. That's okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit that button and hold it down until you see the little car come up in the middle. There it is. Once it comes up, let it go. So the first thing we're going to reset is the brake fluid, because they did the brake fluid, but again they didn't reset it. Okay. All right, so if you dagnabbit, are you ready?
Yeah.
Cameraman, and your new cameraman. Okay, so if you can see at the bottom it says reset possible. So now we're going to press that same button again, hold it down until it says reset, then let go and hold it down again, and it's going to say reset in progress. Let it go, it's going to reset on its own. Reset successful. Now you see that it's in green. Alright, so now if you want to reset something else, like for example we have the rear brake pads to reset, that same button, you're going to just use that button, keep hitting it, and you can scroll to the next thing. Right here is the brake pads that we need to reset. So reset possible, hold it down. You want to reset it, let go, and then hold it down again until it says reset in progress, and then let it go.
Put your hand back up there. Yeah, that's a nice.
Alright, so now it says reset successful. We can scroll through it to see if there's anything else that needs to be reset. You can see everything is in green. So we're ready to go. That's it, you're done. Turn your car off, you're ready to go.
Alright, let's start it back up and I want to see
Okay, now you can see that the triangle is now, oh, it fastens hood open. Well, that's all right. But the brake light is no longer on, and your message center is no longer telling you that you need to change your brake pads. You're all set. Go rolling. Have a good time. All right, we'll be right back. All right, so as you guys can see, it's actually pretty easy to reset that maintenance light. Not sure why this other repair shop didn't know how to do it or didn't even bother to look about resetting the light.
I bet it's just instead they told the customer it must be something else.
Yeah, it must be something else. So that didn't make any sense. But anyway, that's what Astral's here for, to save the day. Once again, yeah, buddy. So, anyway, if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.